In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add test issue types in Jira. If you're working on managing projects in Jira, customizing your workflow with specific issue types can be incredibly helpful for keeping everything well organized and efficient. We're going to walk through the steps to do just that. So let's dive right in. First off, you need to navigate to your project in Jira. This is where everything begins. Make sure you're in the project where you want to add your new issue types, because any changes we make will apply specifically to this project. Once you're there, look at the top of your screen near the project title. You should notice an icon with 3 dots. This is sometimes referred to as the More or Actions button. Click on this 3 dots icon, which will present you with a drop-down menu. From this menu, find and select Project Settings. This section is essentially your control center for this project, giving you access to a variety of settings and customization options. After entering the project settings, cast your eyes to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll see various options listed. Find and click on Work Types. This area contains the essentials of your project's workflow. Basically, a list of the current work types and where you have the opportunity to add new issue types. Now, the exciting part. To add your issue type, simply click on the Add Work Type button. This opens a new window where you will input the necessary details for your new issue type. Begin with the name of your issue type. Make sure this is something descriptive and specific so everyone in your team knows exactly what it refers to. Next, add a short description. This part is crucial for explaining the purpose or use case of your issue type to anyone who may be collaborating with you. After that, you get to select an icon. This is a small, yet significant visual aid which makes finding and identifying different issue types quicker and easier. Once you've filled in the name, description, and chosen an icon, you're ready to bring it to life by hitting the Create button. With your new issue type created, you're almost done. Now, anytime you need to create a new task or issue in your project, just go to the Create button located at the top right of your screen. When you do this, you'll notice that you can now select the work type or issue type you've just added from the list. And there you have it. You've successfully added a test issue type in Jira, organizing your workflow to fit your project needs seamlessly. This straightforward process can greatly enhance your team's productivity and ensure everyone is aligned. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing!